Hi loving souls, welcome back to Jendely's Lane. If you're trying to find a way to get free stuff or free clothes from Shein, I did a video and the video is titled Step by Step How to Use Shein Free Trials to Get Free Clothes. Watch that video because I went into a step-by-step detail on how you can get free stuff from Shein. So check that video out, it's on my channel. This is what it looks like. That's the video. On that note, I have a Shein try-on haul for you guys. Let's jump into the video. Holding it up, it looks really funky. I'm gonna put a screenshot of what it looks like on the model. It's separated. This is the top, which is connected to the bottom. And then it goes into a huge slit right here. Where is this zipper? Where is it? So the zipper is right there and on the inside as well. I have bigger hips and bigger butt. So when I try to put this on, down, up, it couldn't go past my butt. So I don't know, if you have bigger hips and bigger butt, maybe you might want to put this on going up, down. I don't know. You try it that way. I didn't want to leave any makeup on it, so I went from the bottom down. So let's talk about the fabric and what it feels like, okay? So the fabric is pretty cheap. It feels cheap. It has elastic in there, a little bit of stretch in there. But all of these things are my favorite. I'm not gonna lie, okay? Shein came through with these dresses because they're stunning, they're beautiful, they fit great. The quality is not like top notch, but the fit for the price is good. So this is one of my favorite dresses. This is a green dress. It's really long. This is maxi, and the tie on it is extremely long. It's long to the point they made it so it drips past the dress almost. Well, when you're standing up, it might not pass the dress. It just keeps going. The reason why that is that long is to flatter your chest, to flatter your back, and for you to do multiple cross design with it if you wanted to. When I wore this, I was like, I wish I had little dimples on my back. Like literally, if you have dimples on your back, backless dresses are so stunning. The front isn't really my favorite. They could have done a dripping effect with the front, but they didn't. It just, it just goes across like that. Yeah, the material, it's great for the style, and then the bottom runs into this mesh right here. I wanted something so clean and lacy that I can wear, okay? That I can wear in a gathering somewhere. And I saw this beautiful lace top, and it's just strikingly beautiful, stunning. Love the lace detailing on the arm. It goes all the way under the armpits. The sleeves are covering lace. The handcuff, look at that. Look at that, it separates. And it's a stunning shirt, and it's completely you have to zip it up in the back. I couldn't reach all the way in the back, so I just left it halfway. This is also from a different company on Shein somewhere. My mind just went blank. When I was shopping on Shein, I had three intentions. One was to get a sparkly dress that is mini, that is short for nightclub or girls night out, and 2, to get a classic dress, and then 3, to get a dress that is like pretty but yet casual. I can wear it on a date or wear it to a restaurant. So that's what the green one was for. That's what this is the casual one. And now I'm gonna show you guys the all sequins nightclub or girls night out dress. This is what this one looks like. The top is separated from here and is also backless. Well, there's this little thing right there, but it's mostly backless. And then the sleeves are like this. They're also adjustable. They're not crisscross. You could crisscross it, but they're not. And then they're adjustable, and then the bandwidth is pretty large, enough to cover your bra strap if you want to wear a bra with it. My favorite thing about this dress is not only the sequins, it's the chest. It's just well made, you know what I mean? Like, it droops, but then it has this little line. You're gonna see what it looks like on me. The company that sells it is like something like Love for Lemonade or Love for Lemon, something like that. That's the company that carries this. That's the last piece I am going to show. There's another piece that I've already bought, which is a bikini, like a knitted bikini top and bottom, but that deserves its own separate deal, okay? That deserves its own thing. And right now I'm not feeling like wearing bikini, so I'm not wearing it in this video, but I will do a separate video on that bikini alone. Thank you so much, loving souls, for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more content in the future.